Kids are back in school, filling the hallways with young energy, and the leaves are showing their true colors as they get ready to fall to the ground. All of this means fall is here and winter is just around the corner. It also means it's time to start preparing your cabin for the winter months. The Minnesota Pollution Control Agency would like to offer some tips that can help you save energy and prevent costly problems. Keeping your cabin septic system working properly avoids the risk of it leaking and possibly contaminating groundwater. It's important to have your septic tank pumped out regularly. The frequency depends on how often the cabin is used and by how many people. This work needs to be done by a licensed septic pumper. You can search on the MPCA's website to find a licensed pumper in your area. To help prevent septic systems from freezing, you can spread a layer of straw or leaves over the tank and drain field to provide a blanket of insulation. This is especially helpful during winters with below normal snowfall. A clean and well-maintained heating system will save money on fuel and prolong furnace life. Periodically vacuum the furnace interior, regularly change the air filter, and check any belts for wear. Be sure to call a reputable repair service for more in-depth maintenance and service. If you don't plan on using your cabin during the winter, you can turn the furnace off. If you completely close the cabin for winter, you can shut off the water and winterize the plumbing. Bleed pipes and water heater lines and use recreational vehicle antifreeze, which is rated for potable water lines. If you have never winterized plumbing before, you may want professional assistance to ensure the job is done correctly. If you plan to use the cabin periodically during winter, set the thermostat to 50 degrees and open the doors of cabinets that have pipes in them so heat can get in. Pipes can also be insulated or wrapped with heat tape. Going through your cabin to seal windows and air leaks will help conserve energy and save money for those who heat year-round. While you check for air leaks, you may also want to have some steel wool on hand to plug any holes large enough to invite critters into the cabin while you are away. Mothballs or dryer sheets placed around the cabin can also keep unwanted pests out. Many electrical appliances use energy when they're plugged in, even when they are not in use. Conserve energy, prevent fires, and protect appliances and electronics by unplugging them when your cabin is not in use. By taking the time to properly close down your cabin for winter, it'll save you money, give you peace of mind throughout the winter, and it makes your job easier next spring when it's time to open up the cabin for another summer of fun and relaxation.